Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix the Instagram Hindi song not showing problem. For that, you just need to be on Instagram and make sure you have logged in into it. And on the bottom right corner, you will see the profile icon. Tap on it and you need to make your account professional. Then only the steps will work. Then you need to tap on the three line icon on top right corner and you need to tap on setting in privacy. After that, you can see for professional created tools and controls. So tap on it. After that, you need to scroll down and here you will see switch account type. So tap on it and you need to switch to the personal account or business account, anyone. So for now, I'm switching to personal account by tapping into it. So tap to switch to personal account. Wait until it is switched. So it has already been switched to personal account. Now following this process, you can easily solve your Hindi song not showing problem on the Instagram. Thank you.